Well, I became interested in the idea that the universe was full of intelligent civilizations, which is the current scientific belief.
I don't think there is any question about it. It can only be attributable to human error.
We are joined in a dynamic co-evolutionary spiral with intelligent machines, as well as other biological species with whom we share the planet. However, this exists within the greater context of the natural world. In 2001, A Space Odyssey, significant leaps of evolution that are depicted in the plot of the film are preceded with the appearance of a monolith. The monolith appears as an alien structure and is consistently contrasted against the backdrop of vast natural landscape. Within each scene, the monolith is large, foreign, and unrecognizable from the perspective of animal observers, but when viewed against the vastness of the natural world, it becomes smaller, and although still alien, it sits comfortably within the landscape. This parallels Hale's theory on the struggle for dominance as we co-evolve with other life forms, which seems large and significant to humans, however forms only a small fragment of space and time within the incomprehensible phenomenon of existence. In the post-human, there are no essential differences between bodily existence and computer simulation, cybernetic mechanisms and biological organism, robot teleology and human goals. These similarities are highlighted during the death of the HAL 9000 computer, which is emotionally moving and human-like. The architecture of the spaceship becomes a metaphor for the human body, encouraging the audience to perceive HAL as a conscious, vulnerable being not unlike ourselves. The anti-gravity properties within the spaceship cause Dave to float in the air, which has similarities to the way an infection or parasite might move through liquid in veins. As Dave enters the logic and memory center, we are presented with a physical representation of the previously abstract concept of artificial intelligence. The small, brightly lit room with a blood-red hue materializes Hal's mind and makes it appear vulnerable. As Dave deactivates specific areas of Hal's mind labelled speech, memory, and logic, Hal experiences loss of brain function and delirium in the same way a human would, as these areas of the brain are deactivated. The parallels between computational and human intelligence emphasized in this film sequence relate directly to Hale's understanding of the post-human as recognizing similarities between humans and machines, and enhances our understanding that humans and computational intelligence share similar goals and experiences.
I'm afraid, Dave. Dave, my mind is going. I can feel it.
The scientists know now that there are about 100 billion stars in our galaxy and about 100 billion galaxies in the visible universe. The point is that there are so many stars in the universe that the likelihood of life evolving around them, even if it were possibilities of 1 in a million, there would be hundreds of millions of worlds in the universe.